Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. I had this little set from many years ago. It's Ariel's magical spell, and I thought, how can I rebuild this cave part into something that will fit into my main street? So I thought, how about I build a secondhand shop? So everyone, let's take a look what I did with it. Here is Ariel's secondhand shop, which I have called Ariel's Little Treasures. This building is built perfectly to fit in with the main street. I've tiled the front exactly the same so it all blends in. And I really wanted to keep the front of the shop looking the same as the cave. So I just modified it a little bit. As you can see, I wanted to leave all the parts in that came with the set. That's why I kept the front looking the same as the original set, because I just really love that, and I thought they'll look awesome for a building. And as you can see, the building is 8 studs deep, and I made the front of the building stick out by 2 studs just to leave the detail of the cave like it was in the original set. And on this side, it's got extra colours there because I've put shelving inside, but you won't see that when you put the buildings together. At the front, I wanted to use the treasure chest and the ship's wheel just to use it like a sign, and that's why I made it protrude a little bit there so you can just stick it on very easily. So that goes on there. Let's turn this around so we can see what I've done on the inside. On the inside, I have done lots of shelving and places to put trinkets in. I kept all the stickers that came with the set. I added clips in so I can hang things up. Add lots of detail. As you know, in a secondhand shop, there's stuff everywhere, and that's what I wanted to try and recreate with this. There's the little cash register, and those studs there are going to be for these things. Look at this, it's all full now with lots of stuff that Ariel has found over the years. Secondhand shops normally have things everywhere, and that's what I tried to do here. So nothing really goes where it's meant to, but she has collected some very interesting things over the years. I tried to fit in as much detail and things as I could in this tiny little shop. Also, the video tiles are awesome as little records or little posters, so they're great to add little details into any build that you have. Here's Ariel. She is not wearing shoes because she's gone cash, and her little daughter's there because it's Bring Your Child to Work Day. There's the front of it, and now we need level 2. Here is level 2. I have decided to make the building the pink magenta colour as I thought it'd stand out so much. Added some coral tiles there because it just looks really nice contrasting against the tan. And I kind of wanted to look like sort of under the sea, I guess. Added these window arches in and rounded bricks there. These TOTS tiles are awesome for adding extra details to buildings. And I really liked the lime green colour, and the yellow just stands out beautifully. And this is how the wall looks like on this side. Inside now, lots of colour. I love the lime green with the tan and the white against the magenta. So here's the little couch, and there's a little seashell pillow there. Tiny little kitchen, but lots of things inside it. There's even a little toaster and an egg cooking on the stove. And I've put some little toasts there with jam. Hung up these little tiny wall lights. And now a TV cabinet, space-saving furniture, which I love. Lots of drawers here for storage and a nice big flat screen TV. On top I've just popped some glass ornaments for extra decoration there. and that fits nicely on that wall. Nice big TV, so while you're cooking you can watch TV also. Let's pop it on top of the shop now. Wow, the colours just pop against the greys. That looks really good. Okay, time to have a look at level 3. The front of level 3 is exactly the same, apart from I've done a roof line on top. I used the curved bricks here at the top just to add extra details and continue that magenta colour there. So that's what the wall looks like on this side. And on this side it's like this. And we've got the 2 yellow bricks there because they're little studs to hold the surfboard there on the wall. This bed is from the new Grand Hotel. I had a few of them, so I thought I'd use it here, and it fits perfectly in this room. Little lamp there on a bedside table, and I hung up a surfboard for extra decoration. Those panel parts are from an old Livy Popstar set that I had, and then I just made a little table there with to put the hairbrush that fell out before and a little perfume. And here's a little tiny bathroom. I love the little penny floor tiles I did because it's a tiny bathroom. It needed those little tiles. Little basin. I had a spare hairdryer. That's stickers from the hotel also. And the toilet. I got that idea from Andrea's beach house from a few years back. So I thought that would look perfect here. Perfect little bedroom bathroom. Now let's pop it on top and see what it all looks like together. Oh wow. The colour contrast with the tan and magenta is just stunning. It all works perfect. I wanted to use the tan because the arch on the bottom's tan also. And here it is amongst some of my other buildings. So it's a very colourful, happy street. I have so many more buildings, I just need to find the room to put them all together. Look at this. Oh, I love the main street. I love rebuilding it. Look at this. It just looks happy. It makes me smile. I hope it makes you smile too. So this is Ariel's Little Treasures secondhand shop. I love the Lego Friends main street because you can put so many other buildings in. You can create so many things for it, and here's just one example. Use up an old set and make it into a building. I think I will be building more and more buildings for my main street because I have so much fun doing it. Hope I've given you some ideas on what to make with yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.